Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone and then go to contacts. Here you have to select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap edit here, and then tap on the camera icon here to add a photo. Then you have an option to take a photo or select a photo. Next you have to select your photo. Then you have to adjust it here. And then tap here to save these settings. And as you can see now, our contact have a photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.